G'day, here's a little parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from various fields in Queensland. A few bits of Koroit amongst this, the rest of it those unknown fields. Zoom in a bit. Okay, rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted. Some of the pieces have been rubbed, like this big piece here. Still a couple of eyes of colour in it. So pieces like this with veins, it needs to be ground down. Find the opal. Pieces like this. So much. Some of this is offcuts of bigger boulders. These have just been randomly scooped out of a bucket. Here's what it is. This piece needs to be cut in, been ground down. Go down to the opal face. Might have a bit of promise, that one. Other pieces like this you just cut and use the opal that you can see as the highlight. A little bit of matrix there. Have a little fine seam there that needs to be followed. There's a nice line showing. There it is, there's the red in it. Nice bright blood red flash. Pity it's only a thin piece. But anyway, you've got an idea of what you're looking at for your money. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.